love right now, I'm fading fast, not gonna last. I'm really stupid, I'm burning up, I'm going down, I'm in it bad. Don't even ask. When I find myself in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, could you love me more, just a little, just a little? Of a complicated, but it's simple, but it's simple. When you love me more, just a little. So tell me now, when every star falls from the sky and every last heart in the world breaks. Oh, hold me now, when every ship is going down, I don't feel nothing when I hear you say, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm really sorry. Sorry I dragged you into this. I overthink. That's all it is. The way you love me. The way you love me till the end. The way you love me. Oh yeah, it makes me king again. When I find myself in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, could you love me more, just a little, just a little? Overcomplicate, but it's simple, but it's simple, but it's simple. When you love me more, just a little. So tell me now, when every star falls from the sky and every last heart in the world breaks. Oh, hold me now, when every ship is going down, I don't feel nothing when I hear you say, it's gonna be okay. 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 It's gonna be okay.
Hello, this is Junior Grassman. Thank you for watching the video. We're quite close to 100 subscribers, so we're announcing that we're going to do Q&A. So if you leave your answers down in the comments and subscribe so we can get to 100 subscribers, and I'll answer all your questions. I'm standing here today with a row up of machines at Longlands Farm. We've got the New Holland TR100, the DG telehandler and the International 784. So, thank you.